Hey, what's up? Josh from Breaker Stereo and Performance. This is a 2019 Chevy Camaro SS, and we're going to be doing an exhaust system on this thing, and we're doing the Flow Master American Thunder Axleback exhaust, part number 817746, along with the Flow Master Scavenger X pipe, part number 81083. So stay with us as we take you through a full tutorial on the installation of these parts. Okay, first let's take a look at the stock exhaust system. So grab your 13 and remove the 5 bolts that hold up the brace to the body. Now go ahead and support that rear stock system with the jack and grab a 15mm socket or wrench and remove the 2 hangers at the rear of the system. Now measure forward about 7 inches from the body of the flex joints in the middle of the vehicle. Make a mark on both pipes. Now you're going to want to support the exhaust system behind the area to be cut. Then grab your sawzall and cut both pipes at the mark. Now be careful not to cut any lines around it, so cut with caution. After cutting, remove the 4 remaining hangers on the exhaust system from the rubber mounts on the vehicle. To make it easy, go ahead and grab some WD-40. It'll make it easier to remove those hangers. Go back to the exhaust tips and detach the plugs that plug into the factory actuator on both driver and passenger sides. And then with some assistance, lower the exhaust from the vehicle. Now grab your 8mm and remove the 3 bolts that attach the actuator to the mount. Retain the bolts for later. Then repeat for the other side. Go back to the spot where we cut and grab some sandpaper and sand down any sharp edges. Now grab the X pipe and slide it into that spot. You might have to wiggle it a little bit to get it right. And then you may also have to pound on it a little bit to get it in there good. Now place that provided 3-inch clamp onto that slit fit of the mid pipe and slide it onto the back of the outlet. And tighten the clamp enough to hold it in place. Remove the rear brackets from the factory exhaust. And then remove the hanger bushings from the factory exhaust as well. Then go ahead and put those bushings back onto the vehicle. Then go ahead and grab the actuators and install them on the new exhaust using the factory hardware. Now you can start installing the American Thunder Axleback to the end of the scavenger outlet. Be sure to install the 3-inch clamps. After you're done with that, go ahead and install the exhaust hanger bushings. Now go ahead and grab those exhaust brackets that you removed and reinstall those with the factory hardware on both sides. Make sure you connect the plug on that actuator on both sides. Then repeat the process on the opposite side.